Hello students, welcome to Entrance Engineering Academy. So in this video, we will be discussing about our GATE Engineering Science GATE XC course, which we are offering for GATE 2027. So here in this particular course, first of all about our institute, okay, Entrance Engineering Academy, we are the institute which offer GATE exam course, GATE XC course and GATE XC test series. I can proudly say that we are the only institute who intensively offer courses for GATE XC and test series for GATE XC. And the point which need to be addressed here is we are offering XC courses, but we offer only for A, B, D, and E, which means mathematics, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, and thermodynamics. Along with that, of course, general aptitude is included. Okay. So other than this, we don't have other courses for GATE XC. Okay, and the test series also is available. And what are the things which is available? I will say. See, the major issue with the GATE XC is it's a paper which is little bit different from other papers, and it is very easy to score also. Okay, one thing it is different, but the other thing is very easy to score. So what we have done in our particular courses, we have made all the pre-recorded video lectures for it's almost like 300 odd hours, 300 to 400 hours, inclusive of like each particular section will be having around 70 hours of video. Each particular section means I'm saying about A, B, D, E, etc. And of course general. Okay. So all the video lectures will be covering all the concepts from basics from zero to detail level, and correspondingly each chapter will be having a test series, and we will be having performance evaluation through test, etc. Okay, so the resources, first of all, for you guys to understand what about the quality of the resource, how good the resources are. So for that, what you can do is you can check our demos, okay, which is available in our YouTube, and also which is available in our what is that, in our YouTube, and also it is available in our website, okay, on our portal. Let me go through other things. Other than the courses, we have test series and also question bank. So it will be corresponding to GATE XC syllabus, and mock test will be there. That is also corresponding to GATE XC mock test, how you will be taking the XC, and you will be getting the feedback based on your performances. And you will able to, there are different tests like topic test, subject test, full length test, and there are around 1200 odd questions. And this package will be having everything together like test series, question bank, doubt support, pre-recorded videos. So whatever is required for your GATE exam preparation from A to Z will be available in this particular course. Now coming to these things are basics, like if you take a test you will get a solution from it, and you will be getting a ranking from it, and analysis, and different question types, for example MCQ, NAT, and MSQ, all the questions will be there. And doubt support through discussion forum. Once after registering for the course, you will get added to a Telegram group where you can ask your doubts. Okay. And accessibility, we have both Android app, iOS app, or else if you want to use it in portal, that also you can use. You can use it in our website also. It's all up to your what is it, your convenience, whichever you want to use. And the demo test is available. Demo course is also available. Go through it. It's a free test. You will able to get what type of what type of test it is, and what type of questions we are using it in the test. Okay. And there is a special offer for GATE 2027. So if you are interested, you can check out the offer, study until GATE 2027 course. Basically, this course will be valid until February end, which means it will be valid for your GATE 2027 exam. So you don't need to pay extra for 1 year or 2 years. Simply you can pay whatever you are going to utilize for. So if you are a student who are planning to utilize the course only until GATE 2027, then this course will be ideal for you. Okay. And next, if you want to register, you can go through any of this. Like you can go through the website, or else you can WhatsApp us. Okay, we preferably prefer WhatsApp, and if you have more doubts, we will able to answer through calls. And first of all, before proceeding, before going to registration, etc., my suggestion will be: one, go through the demos. I will add all the demos in the video description. Two, attend the demo test also, so that you will get what type of questions we are offering. And along with the test series, we have question bank also, that also by default included in this particular test series. So what is the difference between test series and question bank? Test series is basically test. Okay, so it will have topic wise test, subject wise test, etc. Question bank, in the sense, for each chapter there will be some set of number of questions, and those questions you will able to attend it. It's something like a practice questions after completing each chapter. Okay, so that's all about this video. So if you are interested, you can go through the demos and you can plan for registration. Thank you.